Welcome back. In this video, we're going to try to find the following limit. As x goes to 1 of 1 over x minus 1 times the integral between 1 and x of 1 over the square root of 1 plus t squared dt. One key idea here is that if we try and plug in the x equals 1, we're going to have 0 here, and here we're going to have a problem. Okay, and if we take the if we try and get 1 from the right, we're going to have infinity times 0, which is an indeterminate form, and we can't conclude. Okay, there is another way that we can do here is that we can rewrite this one in the following manner. Okay, so as a product, we can write it as a ratio. Here we can have the limit as x goes to 1 of the integral between 1 and x of 1 over the square root of 1 plus t squared dt over x minus 1. Okay, here if we try and evaluate again, we will have 0 over 0, and therefore we can't conclude, and that means we have to do something else. Here this reminds us of L'Hopital's rule, okay, because we have 0 over 0. Okay, and therefore using the fundamental theorem of calculus, we can see that we can take the derivative of this integral over this function here, and therefore we have the limit as x goes to 1 of, so this is just 1, and here we're going to have 1 over the square root of 1 plus x squared, and this gives us the limit as x goes to 1 of 1 over the square root of 1 plus x squared, which has a limit, and therefore we can plug 1 and we get 1 over the square root of 2. Therefore this is our limit. Okay, so this is a quick way of rewriting this this ratio. Okay, another thing that we can do is we can note that if we write this integral, if we call this integral g of h or h of x, let's call it h of x. H of x is the integral between 1 and x of 1 over the square root of 1 plus t squared dt. Okay, therefore the derivative the 1 of h can be written as the limit of h of x minus h of 1 over x minus 1 as x goes to 1. Okay, and this is just h prime at 1. Okay, so and here we know that h of 1 is 0, and this is the fundamental theorem of calculus applied in a hidden way. Okay, using the derivative. Okay, so here we know that h prime of x is 1 over the square root of 1 plus x squared. When we evaluate at 1, we get the same thing, 1 over the square root of 2. Okay, so this is a quick way to get the result, and I think that's it. That's all we need. This limit is 1 over the square root of 2. Thank you very much. Enjoy.